Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Government to offer single window clearance to attract major business groups in Goa. CM promises transparency in government dealings. Industrial policy by August end. Two committees of IDC to investigate into properties and dead assets of the corporation. GCCI hints at losses in thousands of crores. ACB to probe illegal holding of land. Government approves 92 lakh rupees for Fingerprint Bureau of Goa Police. 50 new PSIs to be appointed. Force to be increased by 1,500 by the end of 2013. Ashadi Ekadashi celebrated in the state with religious fervour. People fast for peace and bliss. Goa State Football Development Council's first centre to kick off within 2 months. GSFDC centres will be set up only where GFA have not reached, says Chairman Dr. Rufino Montero. And first Unified Badminton Festival ushers heartwarming response. Over 200 athletes have done a fantastic job in competing with the state's best, says Special Olympics Victor Vaz. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has invited leading companies in the state by offering them single window clearance and ensuring transparency in government dealings. Government has also assured to put all the industry related policies in place by August end. CM held closed door meeting with chief executive officers and industry captains at Goa Investment Forum 2012 on Saturday. CM held closed door meeting with chief executive officers and industry captains at Goa Investment Forum 2012 on Saturday. Essel World, Accenture, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Nestle, Bosch, Ranbaxy and other participated in the forum.
One single window clearance by August 10, all major policies will be in place. So main policy is very simple: transparency, single window clearance, and what is yes is yes. If it is no, then it has to be right in the beginning no. These are proposals which are coming, and we have indicated to them what we welcome, what we don't, what kind of aspects they can take into consideration. But ultimately, we are framing the policy guidelines for bio technology or IT or later industrial policy before August.
He told them upfront that they can expect transparency from him. They can expect, see, if it is a green industry, it is a walkthrough. Government will be spreading out red carpet for them, and will go all out to see that they are facilitated through a single window. They will not have to run from pillar to post, and he was very categorical in saying that there would be a single point agency to take care of all the approvals and all the necessary licenses through that window, who would be facilitating their process of starting an unit in Goa.
President of FICCI says that Goa should not allow industries that would result in pollution. R.V. Kanoria says that Daboli Airport requires a lot of improvement. He says that Mopa Airport and widening of roads in the state would make a significant difference.
I feel that Goa should not allow industries which will result in any pollution. So, best suited obviously is IT, and airport at the moment, whether it is as a result of it being a naval airport, I think it requires a lot of improvement, because this is with this kind of airport infrastructure, it's very difficult to commute in and out. The new airport is being created, and it will probably be ready in 2 to 3 years time, and I think that is going to make a significant difference. The second thing which will make a difference is that the roads in Goa are also quite narrow at the moment, and they need to be at least widened so that Goa has a lot of traffic. It's not that it doesn't have traffic. For businesses, there is a need to commute faster. There was a session which was a short session of about 1 hour with the Chief Minister directly, where a lot of issues directly related to the companies were raised.
A reporter from Panji Navdeep Agyar with video journalist Sushant Par.
The IDC has made 2 committees to look into the locked up IDC properties and dead assets. According to GCCI, the losses have run up to thousands of crores. Around 3.5 lakh square meters of land have also been returned to the IDC recently. Now the government has advised the IDC to recover the properties by August. Illegal holding of industrial land will be probed by the ACB.
The releasing of locked-up IDC properties was a prime agenda discussed on the Friday IDC AGM. The IDC decided to constitute 2 committees which will work and release the locked-up properties of the IDC. The inquiry of illegal holdings of industrial lands has been handed over to Anti-Corruption Branch. The president of GCCI, Mangirish Raikar, informed about the steps IDC plans to take.
The Chief Minister has taken due steps in already started talking to the people to return back the land, and we are happy to say that almost about 3.5 lakh land which was there given to some people and were holding without use has been returned back to IDC. So basically there will be 2 committees to look into it. One would be looking into those plots which are above 5,000, other which is between 1,000 and 5,000, and below 1,000 would be directly handled by the managing director. So we want to give a clear message that we are here to do business. We want to see that the units are set up, and we want to see that the employment is generated at the earliest.
CM Manohar Parrikar informed that the policy guidelines for biotechnology and IT industries are being framed. He said by August the land transfer policy will be formulated.
By August everything should be, that doesn't mean nothing gets solved tomorrow. Issue is already, ball has started rolling already. So few things will get settled, for example transfer policy.
A reporter from Prudent Navdeep Agyar with video journalist Sushant Par.
Government has given a financial nod to the much-awaited Fingerprints Bureau of Goa Police. Finance Ministry has sanctioned 92 lakh rupees to build a state-of-the-art bureau. On the other hand, government has also cleared a file appointing 50 new PSIs in the force. The department wants to increase its strength by 1,500 more personnel by the end of 2013. Sources say the Parrikar-Kishan Kumar combination as Home Minister DGP has worked for the department.
All the pending proposals of Goa Police are finally making headway. CM Manohar Parrikar, who also holds the home portfolio, has taken keen interest in modernizing and strengthening Goa Police Force. The government has cleared some major proposals of the force in last few days. Here are the few. 1,500 more police personnel by the end of 2013. 50 more PSIs in the force to be appointed. 92 lakh rupees sanctioned for Fingerprints Bureau. Sources say that DGP Kishan Kumar and Home Minister Parrikar are in very good terms and they are planning some major reforms in the department. They have also prepared an important action plan to maintain law and order in the state. Here are some of the initiatives. Crackdown on drug cartels in the state. High-tech surveillance systems to avoid and detect crime. Disciplining of the police force. Non-politicization of police officers, cordial relation between IPS, GPS officers. Sources also say that DGP will be having an important meeting with Chief Minister on 3rd of July to discuss some of the crucial initiatives by the department. Although some of the moves from the government like revocation of promotion to 2 SPs have discomforted many. Pace of the administration has been a motivating factor for the department. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.